Hello, and welcome to the Jefferson County PVA website. In this short video tutorial, I will take you through how to update your credit card information. We are going to first start by navigating to the Jefferson County PVA homepage, jeffersonpva.ky.gov, and either log in using the yellow login box at the top right or the login box in the center of the homepage. Enter your username and password information and then click the Login button. Now click on the Account button at the top right of the page. You will see a drop-down menu with links to manage your account. Click on the Billing link from the drop-down menu. Here you can enter your new credit card information. Enter your name, card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code. Then click the Update Billing Information button at the bottom of the page. You will see the page refresh and the note that your credit card information has been updated via the green notification box at the top of the page. It is important to log out after you are finished using the Jefferson County PVA website for security measures. If you forget to log out, your account will be temporarily frozen for a short period of time. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you need any additional help with the website, please browse our support section.